everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? Well, it's waking up, crazy hair. It's out at Ferne Clyffe State Park, camping with my daughter and her friend. So I gotta get packed up before the thunderstorms and everything come rolling in. Got a little bit of wind outside, and it's supposed to rain in about, I don't know, hour and a half or so. So got 2 tents to take down, gear to put away, breakfast to eat, and all that good stuff. So it'll be a fun morning. Happy Columbus Day, everybody. So I got my cozy little hammock, grand trunk, like a 9-foot hammock set up there. Still got a few logs smoldering on a fire I'll have to put out. Nice little kit from TJM Metalworks from the UK. I was using that for grilling some venison burgers last night. And then I got 2 beauties over there. I got the Z-Packs triplex tent in camo, which they don't offer the camo anymore, and I got the tarp tent double rainbow lithium over there. That's what I slept in. So not too bad. Beautiful woods out here. Got a lot of pines and cedars and stuff like that around, and it's beautiful. Nice October day, but I definitely gotta make my way out of here soon because storm front's coming in, and I still gotta get packed up and get breakfast going. Looks like we're still running about 62%. Compressor's off on a Jackery, and got my little Iceco Go freezer here. So I got a few items still in here, a few sodas, water, and ice pack. And, oh yeah, and bring out cinnamon and sugar for the oatmeal. That'll be a good breakfast. I'm taking the Z-Packs triplex down. Got all the stakes out. Hopefully wind don't carry it away. I got my double rainbow lithium taken down. Stakes on that are tiny little like nail type stakes, and man, it's a pain in the butt taking those out. The ground was tough. So if you got stakes like that, make sure you always got pull loops on them. If you don't bring a stake hammer, I didn't put any in mine yet, but I think I'm going to when I get back. Yeah, ground conditions definitely make a difference on getting stuff out. The MSR stakes I had on the Z-Packs I put on, they came out fairly easily. Never really had any problems with them. I got the tents put away. Drowned about 2.5 gallons of water on the fire. Always leave no trace. Still gotta take my hammock down, but I think I'm gonna enjoy it for a few minutes before I leave. I've gotta put all the stuff back out in the car. So it's nice to pack somewhat compact, make it a little easier for car camping. Got 2 little helpers over there. I put them to work. Ah, this is nice. Get everything packed away. Just relax in the hammock for a few minutes. Enjoy the breeze, the rustle of the wind through the leaves of the trees. And a storm's brewing. Within a half an hour to an hour it's supposed to be here. So my daughter and her friend, they just went walking up to the lake, and I'll pick them up. And so it's a nice park if you're ever down here near Goreville, Illinois. Ferne Clyffe State Park. They got Class A parking for RVs, full electric sites, bathrooms, all that stuff, playground. And then they got the primitive sites, Class C and D, with little porta potties and no basic services, but they got good fire pits, and some of the sites got nice level areas with railroad ties around them and stuff, and little pea gravel in them, and not too bad. So this was a pretty desirable site here. It's usually filled up, but 4-day weekend came down on Sunday, and rain's in the forecast here for today, Monday, so it's like, yeah, figure there ain't gonna be too many people here. There's only like 2 other campers that were down here last night, and they were a pretty good distance away, so not too bad. I'm just gonna relax for a few minutes and put the hammock away and, yeah, go on a hike. I am number one. What does it take to be a number one? Just has to be vacant, which it will be in a few minutes. Dang, widowmakers, you're already falling off the trees. Oh, yeah, the winds are blowing. That's a tiny little thing. Give you perspective. So, got all vacated. Had a small widowmaker fall down behind me as I was walking out, but yeah, that's fun being in a hammock, seeing the trees swaying and winds blowing, but I gotta get out of here while it's still safe to do so. Hey, little girl, I got some candy. You want some candy? Yeah.
Okay, wait, you got Tootsie Rolls?
Sure, I got Tootsie Rolls, Laffy Taffy, and a puppy. I'll forget you, you're too difficult. Got some Illinois cacti. And we got some of these cool flowers out here.
Violets. Yeah.
So these cacti are actually native to Illinois here. Not too many of them around, but you'll see them in spots. What do you guys think of this out here?
It's cool, really cool, yeah. I like the violets.
So we're just kind of in this little rest stop loop in Ferne Clyffe. Just came out here. I was out here once in the summer. Just kind of going a little off trail, just to see what's all out here. And got a lot of nice woods and bluffs and poison ivy.
Of that meaning.
Big galls, you've got big galls, but I've got the biggest galls of them all. Everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. No, it ain't much today, but yeah, is what it is. So, as always, thanks for watching. Catch you again in the outdoors.